We are cooking a Chinese cough medicine. Usually we are using a clay pot on cooking this kind of Chinese traditional medicine, but since we don't have the clay pot, so we use the modern cooker. So we have these almonds, red dates, walnuts, we have this meat, we have cashew and coconut and dried fruits. So we are boiling it, and fungus, so we are boiling it for around half hour, and season with salt. So it's almost done. It is really very good for coughing. So now it's done. We're going to put a little bit of season with a little bit of salt.